try me whatever you want.
Enter this background is yellow.
Thanks for your help. You failed to interrupt my video. Good reason, as Big saved me from fake splat. One more until this background is yellow. Alright, that's it. It's time to change the background to yellow. You failed to put the red on Roblox game.